Hey guys, if you're old like me, here's 5 tools you gotta have.
So guys, Dad's getting up there in age, and I mean up there. So I brought him to Harbor Freight so he could get a few things that'll just kind of help him out. So these are 5 tools that are just gonna make life a little bit easier.
First on the list, I'm constantly dropping my tape measure and I'm having to get down and get behind something. This is something actually my dad showed me years ago, and I just like, nah, but you know what? Now it turns out that I'm using this thing a lot more than I thought I would. And it's good for not just in the shop, but it's good for in the house. You gotta reach something behind the couch, or you're not throwing your shoulder out trying to reach under there. So for 10 bucks, guys, wouldn't be a bad idea to have one of these in the house and in the shop. Super handy. You guys know I'm big on lighting. I like to have light, extra light on whatever I'm working on. This is something I actually have to give credit to my son. He carries a flashlight in his pocket, just like a pocket knife, just like a tape measure. He has one with him all the time, and you can't believe how many times these things really come in handy. So I've kind of picked this up from my son. So this isn't necessarily an old guy tool, but it's pretty stinking handy to have, especially if your eyesight isn't what it used to be. So 7 bucks, guys. Carry one of these with you all the time, and you'll be surprised how handy this comes in. Another really handy tool, a little pocket magnet. This thing telescopes out long. This actually has a 15-pound pickup. So this thing will come in handy so many times. When you're putting a new base plate on and those little tiny screws drop, this thing is just so handy. You drop your tape measure, or even worse, you drop your pocket knife, boom, you don't have to run and get the grippers. Because you can't carry those in your pocket, but this thing, you can take it wherever you go. So guys, here's one that I've been using for years and years and years. My eyes have been kind of tweaking even for the last 15 or 20 years. So you don't necessarily need to be an old guy to use this. But the older I get, the more I really need these, especially if I'm doing some really tiny, fine work, even painting signs, whatever. These things come in so handy, and I didn't realize I needed them till I actually tried them. It's a critical tool that you really want to try. All right, guys, so here's another one that actually, again, I kind of picked up from my dad years ago that I didn't realize I was gonna need, but this thing has so many different uses. So in the past, what I've done, if I didn't have one of these, I'd use a cardboard box, I'd even use a little scratch pad, anything. If I had to put air in the tires on the truck, super, super handy to have. And here's a use you might not have thought of. Need to ask the wife for a new router? This will come in handy.
Here's a bonus one, guys. Rambo knife. Everybody needs a Rambo knife. For 7 bucks, you can't go wrong.
All right, guys, there you go. 5 tools I think that would be super handy for you to have, whatever age you are, but especially if you're up there in age, like my son says, getting way, way up there in age. If you don't have a Harbor Freight near you, or you don't shop at Harbor Freight for whatever reason, all this stuff is on Amazon. We'll leave links in the description below. Anyway, guys, let us know what you think. Do you guys have tools that you use that you think would be handy for everybody else to know about? Let us know. Maybe we'll do another version of this and we'll have a series of stuff. Anyway, guys, thanks so much again for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button, click that bell icon, and we appreciate you watching. Have a great one. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.